everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are going to be making the drink of fall, a pumpkin latte. Let's get started on today's video. So fall is in the air and everybody knows that the #1 fall drink is a pumpkin latte. So today I'm going to show you how to make it at home. It's really easy. What you're going to start out with is a cup of milk of your choice. You could use almond, oat, whatever is your pleasure. I'm using regular plain milk. We're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla, about a tablespoon and a half of sugar. You use however much you want. A teaspoon and a half of pumpkin pie spice.
We do have a video on that.
Yes, and we do have a video on how to make your own pumpkin pie spice. I'll be sure and link it in the description, or I'll put it in a card, but it'll be somewhere. And then we're going to put in a half cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, because that's got a lot of extra stuff you don't want. This is just regular plain pumpkin. All right, and then we are going to just stir this up and heat it up. Now, this is something you definitely could make ahead and store it in your refrigerator. I'm basically right now making enough for 2 cups because my husband can't stand the taste of pumpkin, but my daughter and I both enjoy the drink. So, but I have a serious problem paying $8 or whatever for a cup of coffee. So I'm going to make what I can at home. I've got a lot of other shorts that I've made on how to make your homemade coffees. Also, I will link some of those in the description as well. And what you want to do is heat this up till almost till it's boiling, not quite a full boil. And then we'll put the rest of it together. Right, so we'll be right back. Here we go. Okay, so we are there. I'm going to go ahead and pour this up into a pitcher just simply because it would be easier to control doing it. I'm going to set that over there a little bit. Okay, so we are all ready here, and I'm just going to divide this up in between the 2 mugs. Okay, and then we're going to pour on some strongly brewed coffee. You use whatever coffee you like. And then top it with some whipped cream. Now, y'all know I like making my own whipped cream, but for this, I think having a spray works.
It lost control there.
And then we are going to just sprinkle with a little bit of the pumpkin pie spice on top. All right, there you go, my friends. Homemade pumpkin lattes at home. Took minutes to do. It really did. I hope you will give this a try. Man, you can't go wrong here. We'll give it a little taste. Better than Starbucks. So, all right, we'll see you guys on the next video.